ooh, ooh. What's in the box? Do I think what it says? It says Apple Watch. This is my new Apple Watch. My birthday gift. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad, for my birthday gift. I love it. Let's unbox it and open the brand new Apple Watch 4. Yep. Apple Watch is on number 4 now. Let's get started. Now, let's see. Where is the tab to open it? Oh, this open tab right here. Let's open the brand new Apple Watch. And here's the back of it. Of the box. Let's open it. Let's peel this. Peel this open. The brand new Apple Watch. Take the plastic off. Brand new Apple Watch. It smells like brand new. Let's see how you open this. Interesting, there's some tabs here. Ooh, got some tabs. Take that tab off, and it reveals an Apple Watch. Look at that. It's the Apple Watch. Brand new Apple Watch. Wow. It comes in 2 boxes now. The Apple Watch itself and the new Apple Watch band. It smells new. Everything smells new. Probably never sniffed the Apple product before, right? Well, it smells new. And this is the packaging it came in for the Apple Watch. Isn't it cool? We have all these cool packaging Apple does with the Apple Watch. Now let's just get straight to the Apple Watch, shall we, ladies and gentlemen? I already showed you the watch band. Here we go. And here's the Apple Watch itself in the box. You know, everything, all the stuff on the thing. So let's unbox the brand new Apple Watch. Here we go. Here's the packaging. And there's the new Apple Watch. Look at that. Ooh. Here's the new Apple Watch. 44 millimeters. Ooh, it comes in this nice case now. For the Apple Watch, comes in a nice case. Here's the charging brick for the Apple Watch, the new charging brick for the Apple Watch. And here's the new charging cable. That's the unboxing. You guys all came to see the new Apple Watch, so let's all unbox it. Let's right here. Let's see. Let's take it out of it. It's probably gonna have all my fingerprints on it. Let's unbox it. Ooh, it looks big, but there it is. The new Apple Watch Series 4. New Apple Watch. Redesigned. Ooh, look at that. It's the new Apple Watch. It's redesigned. Bigger screen. New speakers on the side. New digital crown. The mic is on this side now. There's still the button. And then where you put the watch bands. And there's a new ceramic back. This Apple Watch also has a... it turned on! Look, the new Apple Watch turned on. Oh. But yeah. While the Apple Watch just turned on, let's get the new Apple Watch band on it, shall we? Got the new ceramic back on the new Apple Watch. While the Apple Watch turned on, let's put the new band on. Let's unbox this new band. Let's see. Where do I open? So unbox the new band. This is the Sport Loop band. It gives me instructions how to put it on. So how to attach the band and put it on. Here's the new Apple Watch band for the Apple Watch Series 4, Apple Watch 4. Let's put it on. Put the packaging away on that side. Here's the new band for the new Apple Watch. I gotta attach it because the band doesn't come attached to the new Apple Watch. It's a separate box like I showed you. So let's attach the new band. It just clicked in there like that. Gotta click the other side in. There it is. The new Apple Watch. And I set up the band. Now let's put it on my wrist. See. Put the new Apple Watch on. And there's the new Apple Watch on my wrist. So, the new Apple Watch on my wrist. So, I gotta go and set up the new Apple Watch on my phone. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye.